Hello everyone. So after a long pause, we are again here with another topic of law. This time we are taking a topic from contract. That is the contract of indemnity. So contract of indemnity. So it's given under section 124 of the Contract Act, Indian Contract Act, 1872. Okay. So under Indian Contract Act 1872, the definition of contract of indemnity is given. So contract of indemnity क्या होता है? A contract by which one party promises to save the other from certain loss. I'm writing in a very simple way. ठीक है? The loss caused by the conduct of the promiser himself by the conduct of any other person. मतलब for example say अभी the A and B, these two parties are under contract. Okay, so what happened if he couldn't pay something, the like under the contract जो भी contract के अंदर हुआ है, if he couldn't pay something to B, then he had a promiser that in on behalf of A, C is there and C will pay that amount to directly to B. Okay, so this is the contract of indemnity, that if these two, if he can't pay to B, then C on behalf of A will pay to B, and these three parties, A is the main debtor, okay, B is the the creditor or the owner of anything taken by A. So if A become faulty and if he didn't if he can't able to pay to B, then on behalf of A, C will pay that amount to B. That is contract of indemnity. तो अभी इस केस में the main parties are the indemnifier and the indemnity holder. So here C will be known as the indemnifier because C will pay on behalf of A. So C is the indemnifier and A is the indemnity holder. A is the indemnity holder. Indemnity ये hold कर रहा है and C on behalf of A will pay to B. That's the simple logic of contract of indemnity. Contract of indemnity के बाद contract of guarantee भी आता है, वो next class में होगा. Okay, so let's give an example of contract of indemnity. One of the normal example or the day-to-day example that's going on in every household is the insurance. इंश्योरेंस कॉन्ट्रैक्ट जो होता है ना, इंश्योरेंस कॉन्ट्रैक्ट आर द एग्जाम्पल ऑफ कॉन्ट्रैक्ट ऑफ इंडेमनिटी बिकॉज कार इंश्योरेंस. ओके, सो कार इंश्योरेंस में क्या होता है, ए इज आवर सेल्फ, वी आर ए, बी जिसको हम किसी के मतलब किसी वो के लिए हम लोग उसको एक्सीडेंट हो गया, ठीक है, सो ऑन बिहाफ ऑफ आस सी will pay to B and C is the insurance company. C is the insurance company. C हो गया इंश्योरेंस कंपनी, A हो गया we are A and B is the अदर पार्टी. B हो गया अदर पार्टी जिसको लॉस हुआ है, ठीक है. बट इसमें एक एक्सेप्शन है कि लाइफ इंश्योरेंस नहीं हो सकता है. Insurance contract is a example of indemnity but not life insurance. ठीक है, लाइफ इंश्योरेंस नहीं. क्यों? लाइफ इंश्योरेंस इज नॉट द एग्जाम्पल ऑफ कॉन्ट्रैक्ट ऑफ इंडेमनिटी. Just remember that point. Insurance are the example of contract of indemnity but not the life insurance. So now we will go through the essentials of contract of indemnity. Let's take the same example of A, B and C. अभी essentials में आते हैं. there are like it's very few essentials and very simple essentials of contract of indemnity. The first essential is that there should be a promise, there should be promised to pay, एक promise होना चाहिए to pay something, that is by C to B on behalf of A, C to B on behalf of A, there should be a promise to pay. I promise that I will pay something to B if A becomes fault of anything. Then second essential is there should be a loss caused. एक लॉस होना पड़ेगा. एज आई टोल्ड, सी क्यों पे करेगा इसको, सी बी को क्यों पे करेगा, क्योंकि कॉन्ट्रैक्ट तो ए और बी के अंदर है. द कॉन्ट्रैक्ट इज बिटवीन ए एंड बी, सो व्हाई शी वुड पे, सी क्यों पे करेगा, ओनली बिकॉज इफ देयर अ लॉस कॉज्ड बाय ए, कुछ प्रॉब्लम के लिए ए का लॉस हो गया है, ठीक है. मेन ए एंड बी आर द कॉन्ट्रैक्ट, A and B, these two parties are in under contract. So जो भी A ने B से लिया है उसका A ही इस्तेमाल कर रहा है. C is not enjoying anything that is given by B to A under that contract. ठीक है, under is two contract, C is not enjoying anything. But if C cause any loss और कुछ financial loss होना पड़ेगा, and the loss should be of financial loss. Okay, this is an important one. By A, loss should be, you can write all these essentials, loss should be financial loss. ठीक है, financial loss होना पड़ेगा by A, then only C will pay to B on behalf of A, that is indemnifier will pay on behalf of this indemnity holder to the main owner. So this is the second essential, and the third essential is conduct of human being. It must be something that is through conduct of human being. Being human हो गया था, अच्छा ठीक है, human being और agent. सलमान भाई का फैन है ना, इसलिए being human लिख दिया. अरे माफ करना. Okay, so conduct of human being. Through conduct of human being or through any agent, this contract and these things should be happen. It means that it cannot be happen through any act of God. Okay, this conduct should be done by this human being or any agent like insurance and all, insurance companies and all, but not through any act of God. Act of God के लिए कुछ loss है तो that's it will come under that insurance, but the conduct shouldn't be like that. Conduct should be either by human being or any agents. ठीक है. And one main thing is that there is no repayment. Okay, write this. There is no repayment under contract of indemnity. Contract of indemnity के अंदर repayment नहीं होगा. Repayment मतलब ये MCQ कुछ क्वेश्चंस लाइक या कुछ एग्जाम्स में आ सकते हैं कि कैन देयर बी एनी रिपेमेंट अंडर कॉन्ट्रैक्ट ऑफ इंडेमनिटी. देयर इज नो रिपेमेंट अंडर कॉन्ट्रैक्ट. रिपेमेंट मतलब सी हैज पेड समथिंग ऑन बिहाफ ऑफ ए टू बी. सी ने पे किया बी को. अभी सी ए से नहीं मांग सकता क्योंकि सी हैड प्रॉमिस्ड दैट ही विल पे. सो देयर इज नो रिपेमेंट. सो these were the essentials. Now object क्या है? Object, what is the objective of this indemnity? Objective of this indemnity is that putting the person in loss in the same condition that he was before. अभी A था, इस स्लैब में A था, ठीक है. A का कुछ लॉस हो गया, वो ऊपर जाना था लेकिन वो ऊपर नहीं गया, वो नीचे आ गया. तो A came to this slab. So what's the objective of this indemnity is that is the duty of C who promised to A is that he have to put A from this slab, that is the slab which he fell down due to his loss or due to his any financial loss, to the same position again. इसको इधर में लाने के लिए दैट्स द मेन ऑब्जेक्टिव. ए को फिर से अपने सेम पोजीशन में लाने के लिए जो करना होगा दैट्स इज इंडेमनिटी. Okay, so this is the objective of indemnity, and always remember the law indemnity में it's only money matter. Okay, contract of indemnity only related to money only, financial, only money, पैसा. ठीक है, only पैसा. So that's contract of indemnity. But remember one thing, अभी जो बोल रहा हूं मैं कि A और B ने कॉन्ट्रैक्ट कर लिया or C is promising to pay, that so here the contracts are same. Okay, consideration होना पड़ेगा, promise होना पड़ेगा, proposal, offer, consideration, promise, agreement, ये सब होने के बाद जो कॉन्ट्रैक्ट होगा उसको ही इंडेमनिटी के अंदर ला सकते हैं. एनी अनलॉफुल कॉन्ट्रैक्ट और इलीगल कॉन्ट्रैक्ट, ठीक है, इलीगल कॉन्ट्रैक्ट, दिस वोंट बी कम अंडर कॉन्ट्रैक्ट ऑफ इंडेमनिटी. इसमें एक A won't be able to ask something from C, or there is no indemnity only, because indemnifier होगा ही नहीं, because though that contract is an unlawful contract or illegal contract. So illegal contract, unlawful contract होने से क्या, is directly void, is void contract. So to become a contract of indemnity, the main contract, this main contract should be lawful. This main contract should be lawful. Okay, lawful होना पड़ेगा. This main contract should be lawful. तभी contract of indemnity is applicable. Okay, lawful contract का क्या था? We studied. It should पहला there should be a proposal or offer, then 2A, you remember, right? Section 2 subclause A, it is offer. 2B acceptance. 2C was agreement, I guess, right? No, it's a promise. 2C was promise. Then 2D consideration. Then 2E agreement. उसके बाद lawful agreement होने के बाद क्या था, like those were then it becomes a contract. Okay, ये सब होने के बाद जो लीगल कॉन्ट्रैक्ट होता है उसको ही इंडेमनिटी के अंदर हम लोग ला सकते हैं. नॉट एनी इलीगल और अनलॉफुल कॉन्ट्रैक्ट कैन बी कम अंडर कॉन्ट्रैक्ट ऑफ इंडेमनिटी. तो इस क्लास को और बड़ा नहीं करेंगे. इफ एनी डाउट इज देयर, जस्ट प्लीज कमेंट डाउन बिलो. सो टुडे वी लर्नड अबाउट कॉन्ट्रैक्ट ऑफ इंडेमनिटी. I will give a revision class again. There will be a revision class again on contract of indemnity. Just stay tuned. Next class we will go on contract of guarantee. What is contract of guarantee? It's similar but slight differences are there. So those differences become very difficult. बहुत तकलीफ होता है, कभी कभी बहुत confusing होता है. तो I will clear it. So that's it for today. Thank you so much. Subscribe to Pearl Law and stay tuned for all the upcoming videos, and please comment down below, suggest me what you want again, क्या क्या चाहिए और नया चीज़ आप लोगों को, and I will teach you on basis of that. Thank you so much.